Welcome to the BioLite HeadLamp 425 instructional video. In this guide, we'll cover the following: overview, lighting modes, fit adjustments, low power and recharging, and cleaning. Let's jump in. The HeadLamp 425 is comprised of the following components: an articulating front LED panel featuring a 125 lumen flood and 300 lumen spotlight, a single glove-friendly power button to access lighting modes, control brightness, and lock your unit, the adjustable moisture-wicking headband, and the rear red light and power unit with USB-C input to recharge your headlamp and a button to control the rear light settings. On the back of that rear light, you'll find your headlamp serial number. Use this to register your headlamp on the BioLite warranty page. When unboxing your headlamp for the first time, it'll come programmed in lock mode to preserve the battery. Let's get you out of that. Press and hold the front power button for 8 seconds. The light will flash red twice, and you can now access all modes. The front lighting modes rotate through the following sequence: red flood, white spot, white flood, white spot and flood, white strobe, and off. To access your desired mode, click the power button in half-second increments until you reach your setting. Here it is in real time so you can get the rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, off. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, off. If you wait too long in between clicks, your headlamp may turn off. No problem. Just click it back on and proceed to your desired mode. To activate your rear red light, use the button on the back of your unit and press in quick increments, cycle through solid, strobe, and off. Press and hold to dim. Your headlamp comes programmed with memory, meaning it will turn on to its last remembered setting. This memory setting will last for 12 hours before returning to the default setting. You can dim the headlamp on any mode by pressing and holding. And yes, this includes red flood mode. When it flashes, it's as low as it can go. To brighten, press and hold again. It'll flash at its brightest setting. The unit also has a lock mode feature that you can use to prevent your headlamp from accidentally turning on in your pack or while in transit. To enter lock mode, press and hold the front power button for 8 seconds while the headlamp is off. The headlamp will flash twice in red. This means you have successfully locked your unit. Now, if there are any accidental presses, it'll only flash red, no battery wasted. To exit lock mode, press and hold again for 8 seconds. It'll flash twice in red again, but now your headlamp is unlocked and ready to access all light settings. The HeadLamp 425 can fit both adults and children alike thanks to its easy adjust band. For a comfortable and high-performance fit, place the headlamp around your head and use the adjustment clips in unison. To tighten the band, pull the clips away from the back of your head. To loosen the band, push the clips toward the back of your head. It's important to use the clips in unison to maintain ideal balance, so try to avoid just pulling on one side. To adjust the direction of your light, you can move the LED panel up or down easily with one hand. Locate the lip behind the power button and guide it downward. The panel will click down through 4 different angles. To adjust back up, push gently on the front of your panel. The rechargeable HeadLamp 425 has run times of up to 4 hours on max brightness and 60 hours on low. The illuminated 4 LEDs located on the bottom of the battery let you know how much power is left. HeadLamp 425 also features a low power mode, so you've got some light to spare before your battery runs out. Your first heads up to low power will be the pre-reserve warning. Your light will flash 4 times every 5 minutes for around 10 minutes. This indicates you are heading towards reserve mode. After those 10 minutes, your headlamp will move to reserve mode and will provide 5 lumens of light for approximately 1 hour. Exact runtime will vary depending on if you're using standard white, strobe, or red flood. To get out of reserve mode or to avoid draining your light completely, connect to a power source for charging. To recharge your unit, connect the USB-C port to a power source. This could be a wall outlet, a computer, a power bank, or a solar panel. In addition to standard charging, the headlamp also accepts pass-through charging, so you can extend the runtime of your headlamp while using it in real time by pairing it with an external power bank. This can come in handy for long runs, hikes, or even power outages. Your unit comes with an 18-inch USB-A to USB-C cord, but it can work with almost any quality USB-C cable if you're looking for longer lengths for your pass-through setup. When relying on pass-through, check that the 4 white LEDs are lighting up in sequence to confirm your unit is in fact charging. The moisture-wicking smart fabric keeps you cool and dry during activity and features 3 bonded layers that protect your electronics from any sweat. You can sponge clean the inside of your band using warm water and mild soap or detergent, but don't dunk it or run it under a pouring faucet. Wildly capable and simply comfortable. That's the BioLite HeadLamp 425. From all of us here at BioLite, thanks for watching.